All right, in this quick video, I want to show you how easy it is to message brands for free products on Creator Connections. Why this approach is really nice is the brand's products are already in a campaign, meaning they're already in higher commission. And so that's half the battle. You're going to earn a lot more for your review video. Now the only other battle is getting the free product. It's really simple. You're going to come to the top right, click that message bar. If you're not seeing this page, you might be in the wrong store ID, FYI. So let me just kind of show you something really fast. And I want to show you, I'm trying to figure out how to get out of this. Okay, so these are all the brand messages that I have. Obviously not a super ton. Now, for all of these, I use this simple script. Okay, this brand outreach script. Pretty simple. It says, hey team, I'm Mark McKellar, an Amazon influencer specializing in authentic product reviews to drive visibility and sales. I'd love to feature your product on my platform. I offer professional video review posted directly on your Amazon product page and cross promotion to Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And if you don't want to do that, you don't have to include that. And then I leave a link of my storefront. And then I say, my question is, do you have a sample or product samples available for review? I create all content in exchange for a free product sample, no additional fees. My audience, blah, blah, blah. That's it. Okay. I copy and paste that. And I honestly just send out as many as I can. I literally only sent out 5, which took me about 30 seconds. Okay. It's the same message to each of them. And I had one person respond, which is a good response rate. And they said, yes, we'd love to collab. What address should we send the samples? Would you want a 10 or 12 pack? I don't even know exactly what product they're talking about. I kind of forgot. All you could do is copy that. Under new opportunities, you can paste the brand name in there. And it looks like it's these snack container leak-proof things, which is awesome. And so that's great. So I would just respond. So here's my response. Yes, I would love to work together. If you could send a product sample to the address below, I can post a shoppable video review in 2 to 3 days after receiving the product. And then I put my address. I've given up my address hundreds of times, and I've never had an issue, so I wouldn't worry about that if you are. And that's it. Now, in closing, how should you go about finding brands? Well, there's over 400,000 campaigns right now. And so, there's a few different ways you can go about this. If you want to just go purely based off of commission rate, the highest commission rates, then you're going to start here. That's a good approach. Another good approach, in my opinion, is brand campaigns that just started, because there's a good chance that they're going to be going on for a long time. Maybe not. But some of these campaigns are going to be going on for like a full year. And so that's a good opportunity also. Or you could go based off A to Z, or, newest release, right? You can just I would just set a timer and just send out as many proposals as you can, and try to do the rule of 100. That's my rule of thumb. The rule of 100. Send out 100 brand messages, copy and paste. And it won't take you nearly as long as you think. And I guarantee you have a ton of free product to review that you can opt into Creator Campaigns with. So hopefully that helped. I want to show you in the next video I'm going to be posting on the ReviewPro Extension channel is how to opt into brand campaigns automatically with the new Creator Campaign feature. I'll see you